Yeah, you
What about
like
the other side?
driving?
So shiny.
You like driving, babe? You love it. He loves it.
I was
Santi.
gonna do it your style sana eh. But I decided, shit, I'll do the whole thing.
Verm.
Say hi to Lolo.
Hey. Hey, bip bip. Bip bip. Bip bip. Ano ba ito?
We went to Oyas yesterday.
Ah, you did?
Paolo was saying, he told Paolo daw, Heath Ledger style daw.
That's what Oya said.
Ah, Oyas saw that stuff.
No, the friend of Maite told Oya.
Maite was with someone.
Yeah. She's been living with her friend in Quezon City.
She wasn't in Salo.
No, she wasn't in San.
Yeah, daddy thought you died.
Still knocks and volume.
Now you know what not to miss.